Hello everyone and welcome back to Habib's English Academy. Thanks to God, thanks to Allah that we are in another class in which we are going to learn something very important. Today we will be discussing saline resistant crops. This will be a discussion, this will be a speech, this will be a presentation, and this will be a knowledge for you people to learn something that what are the saline resistant crops. And this is specifically a little bit of knowledge for CSS, PCS, PMS, and other competitive examinations. We'll be learning what saline resistant crops are and what are types of them. Two major things. After this, you should reflect upon it, what you learned from this class, and tell that what were the important things that were discussed. Introduction. Saline resistant crops are plants that can thrive in environments with high saline concentrations where there is too much salt. And those crops which can thrive, which can live, which can not wilt despite the presence of a lot of salt concentration in a particular land are called saline resistant crops, making them ideal for areas with saline soil or water. If there is saline soil or saline water where there is presence of too much salt, so these crops can live there, they can thrive there, they can reproduce there. These are called the saline resistant crops. These crops can be broadly classified into two categories. Now, saline resistant crops are of two types. First, heliophytes. Number two, salt tolerant crops. Where heliophytes, these are the plants that can tolerate high salt concentrations and are typically found in coastal areas. These heliophytes are those type of plants that are found in the coastal areas. What are coastal areas? Where there is ocean. In the ocean, we see that in the ocean water there is the presence of so much salt. So heliophytes are present near the coastal areas where there is a lot of salt. Examples include saltwort, glasswort, and sea purslane. These are three plants that are heliophytes, like saltwort, glasswort, and sea purslane, which are near the sea on the coastal areas. Number two, salt tolerant crops. These are conventional crops that have been bred or engineered to be more resistant to salt stress. So these are some crops that are conventional, and they have a specific thing that they are resistant to salt stresses. They are having more salt, presence of more salt in soil or water, so they are resistant to them. Examples include salt tolerant varieties of wheat, rice, and potatoes. Those varieties of wheat, rice, and potatoes which are salt tolerant, which can tolerate salt. And salt grass is another example. Alkali grass, these are two grasses which are salt resistant. And salt tolerant varieties of carrots, beets, and cabbage. Salt tolerant. These carrots, beets, and cabbage, there are some varieties of them which are salt tolerant. And salt tolerant varieties of fruits such as dates, olives, and citrus fruits. There are some of these olives, dates, and citrus fruits that are salt tolerant. So this was what we discussed about saline resistant crops in our today's class, and we discussed what are heliophytes and salt tolerant crops. I hope you completely understood about it. Now discuss what are the benefits of them, how they can benefit the industry, the factories of our country, and how they can be helpful in improving the economics of our country. Thank you so much.